And for green warm-up, I'm gonna hold up a letter card and we get to sing the song that goes with it. So this is the letter L. And what's on the back of the L? Lion. This is the way the lion licks, the lion licks, the lion licks. This is the way the lion licks. Oh, 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 oh. One more. This is the letter T. And on the back of T, it is a timer. This is the way the timer ticks, the timer ticks, the timer ticks. This is the way the timer ticks. Ta, 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 ta. When is a time that you guys would use a timer? Did you ever use one in class when you had to wait your turn? Sometimes I use a timer at home when I'm cooking food, so I know when to take it out of the oven. In our next part of green, we're still working on restoring our words. So saying the beginning of the word and saying the end of the word and blending them together. We're working on the long E sound. All right, so get your guys' fingers, your hands ready. The first word we're gonna do is a B. B-E, B. The next word is T. T-E, T. The next word, Fee. E, E, fee. And the next word is a me. E, me. Nice work blending those sounds together, friends. And our finger play today is when a little chicken drinks. So can you guys get your chickens together again? You're ready? Here's your chicken head. Here's your chicken beak. I think when a little chicken drinks, he takes up water in his bill. So, and then he holds his head way up so the water can run downhill. Do you guys remember why he has to hold up his head? So gravity takes the water from his mouth all the way to his stomach. Yesterday, we learned a new letter. We learned the letter X. Do you guys remember what sound X makes? X, X. Let's sing the song for the letter X. This is the way Mr. X exits, Mr. X exits, Mr. X exits. This is the way Mr. X exits. X, 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 X. I was looking in a dictionary. A dictionary is a big book of different words and what the words mean. I was looking in the dictionary for words that start with the letter X that make the X sound. There aren't any. When X makes the X sound, it's always at the end of words. So, fox and box and ox all end in X. Six ends in X. Can you think of any rhyming words to six? Six, fix, wicks. What other sounds? What other words can you think of that end in the X sound? Now I'm gonna need the big book. So I have it right here. Can you point to the title on this book? Yeah, right there. And when I'm looking for a specific page, where do I look? The table of contents. And today I'm looking for the poem, 3 Little Kittens on page 12. So I'm gonna turn to page 12. If you guys were in the class, then you would be helping me flip the pages. 3 little kittens. Kittens are the baby animal. Who's the mama animal? That's right, a cat. A cat is a full-grown kitten. 3 little kittens, a Mother Goose nursery rhyme. 3 little kittens, they lost their mittens and they began to cry. Oh, mother dear, we sadly fear our mittens we have lost. What? Lost your mittens, you naughty kittens? Then you shall have no pie. Meow, meow, meow. You shall have no pie. The 3 little kittens, they found their mittens and they began to cry. Oh, mother dear, see here, our mittens we have found. Put on your mittens, you silly kittens, and you shall have some pie. Brr, brr, brr. Oh, let us have some pie. Those 3 little kittens, why were they sad? Yeah, because they lost their mittens and they weren't gonna get any pie. And then what made them happy? They found their mittens and then they were gonna get pie.